The African Union lists no fewer than 14 objectives, among them solidarity, peace, sustainable economic development and the promotion of human rights. For a continent with so many varied interests, the African Union has given itself an ambitious mission, and its leadership is the first to admit there is a lot of work.
It's work in progress. There are lots more things that we need to do. There are more kids at school now than there were before the OAU was formed. There are less children dying at birth, and all the indicators are falling. They've not reached where they should be, but the trend is the right trend.
Some critics say the African Union has still to grow into its role as a champion for Africa's people. Some cite its allegedly slow response to crises such as the Somali famine. Still, the AU can point to success in diplomacy. For example, its dogged pursuit of a peaceful solution to the crisis between Sudan and South Sudan. Its officials also believe AU policies are promoting economic development too.
In terms of economic growth and development, Africa is on the verge of turning the corner for sustainable development. The international environment has never more been conducive. Relying on Europe and America is no more a constraint.
The African Union also can cite its growing military success. Its force in Somalia has played a key role in establishing a new government after more than 2 decades of conflict. The AU also helped persuade the UN to send an aggressive African force into the DRC. So, 9th of September is a day to reflect for the African Union on how far it has made the objectives of its founders and how far it must still go. Grumjala, CCTV, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.